Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. You never imagined this. The doctor told why the head suddenly starts to hurt. Everyone at least once in their life faced a situation when, for no apparent reason, a head suddenly starts to hurt. Yulia Pokrovskaya, a neurologist, has opened the curtain on how to quickly and effectively establish the cause of migraine. According to her, several triggers can serve as the reasons for the appearance of an acute headache. Such a statement by the doctor is being broadcast by Actual News. The expert insists that in some cases migraine attacks can be caused by the use of certain foods. For example, the use of sparkling wines and chocolate can provoke such an unpleasant effect on the body. The same effect is possible after consuming Chinese dishes, foods with the addition of a large number of various spices or an excess of sweets. Sometimes headaches are caused by specific products. Everything can be individual, so you need to track your reactions to the diet, writes Fan. A food diary with references to migraine headaches is an effective approach. If you can trace the connection, it is better to exclude the provocateur product from the menu. Among other causes of headaches, the neurologists singled out insufficient water intake, sleep problems, and excessive noise in the room. Stress and even too sunny weather can lead to migraines. For some citizens, headaches are accompanied by car rides and other specific events or phenomena. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.